Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you one wig in two different colors. Today I have Jasmine in Vanilla Butter, which is what I'm currently wearing, and later on I'll be showing you Almond Breeze, same wig. The Jasmine wig is by Envy, so it's got a wide range of very intense colors. The colors all have what appears almost to be like a highlighted presentation, and I mean you can see it now and you'll really see it when I dip my head in the sunshine. Jasmine is kind of like a shaggy bob. I mean, it definitely has shag layering down here. These can be flipped inward towards the face or outward. Same thing in the back. The back is kind of flipped inward, but again with a comb you can flare it out. But even with all this layering, it kind of sits like a bob. As you can kind of see, I mean, just because of the length where the layers kind of hit right here at the jawline, and then they curl in kind of like a rounded bob almost. So it's kind of cool. This has a 100% hand-tied monofilament top, which I'll show you when I show you the Jasmine and Almond Breeze. The front, the bang here is 3.5 inches, which is a nice length to be swept off to the side. For me, I don't have a particularly big forehead, so I'd probably have to get them trimmed a bit because I've got this sitting right on my hairline. But it is not a super long bang, and if you use a little bit of steam, you could even curl it a bit more, so that way it stayed out of your eyes. It's that length that could be possible too. But for now, I'm just going to continue sweeping it off to the side. So the crown is 8 inches down, so that layering again falls right around the jawline. The sides are 6, so you got a little bit more layering up in here. And then at the nape, we've got another 6 inches, and I'll show you when I turn around. This wig is about 3 ounces. So here is what Jasmine looks like from the side. You can see what I mean, lots of layering. I think that's actually super flattering. And you can see back here those long layers that just kind of hug the neck when they're flipped inward like this. And this is what the back looks like. You can maneuver that to flare in even more if you want. Lots of layering right there. It's a little stiff, but that's not a deal breaker for me. So very, very pretty cut, lots of very cool layering going on. I'm going to go ahead and show you what the cap construction on Jasmine looks like. So you've got here this 100% hand-tied monofilament top. It does not have a lace front, though it does have this very nice place in the front with a little bit of polyurethane on it, so you can wear it as is and it will kind of grip your scalp a little bit. Or you can put adhesive on here without it getting on the monofilament features, which is nice. And the wind's blowing it right now, so you can kind of see how it moves and how it can be flared out. The back, moderately stretchy, and the sides are a bit stretchier. They have a very nice bit of elastic right in here by the nape, which is not an extended nape, by the way. And the ear tabs are nothing special. There's a hint of permatease on the actual ear tab, and then a little bit of felt. And let me double check about that permatease for you. I'd hate to tell you one thing and I think that you could almost qualify this as permatease, but it's just because at the very, very base of the hair wefts, it's a little scratchy. I don't know if that's necessarily qualifying as permatease. This is what the Vanilla Butter looks like in direct sunshine. I think it's a beautiful color. The base shade, as you can see right here, is kind of a intense butterscotch blonde or a light coppery auburn. Very, very, very pretty color. Definitely more copper than, you know, your traditional strawberry blonde might be, which has more of a blushy kind of undertone to it most of the time. So very, very cool. It's got these gold blonde highlights on top. So very warm gold color with the copper in it. Definitely still a blonde though. So if you're looking for a really nice dramatic golden blonde, or one that's got a hint of auburn in it, this would be an excellent choice. So now I'm going to go ahead and throw the toasted sesame on so you can see what that looks like in sunshine. can tell by contrast with Vanilla Butter is much ashier. You know, it's just much more neutral. Has a hint of gold in it, but by and large a fairly neutral color. There you have it. That is the Jasmine wig by Envy in 2 different colors, outdoors even. So hopefully this gives anybody curious about that wig a good look at it. Here's a look at that monofilament top. I think it's a very nice mono top. My only real criticism of this wig actually is that I just wish they put a little bit more hair in the back. That's the only thing I want to say about this that's negative. Everything else about it, I think it's really cute, and I think that if you pick your colors carefully, the back thing won't be an issue at all. So thank you for watching. This has been the Jasmine wig by Envy, and I'm Heather from CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.